Welcome to Headcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Matrixswap, our special guest, and why you should invest right now in it and why it is so important that you have this information. Because it is right now the best time in near many projects to invest. Why is that? We will look a couple of minutes later. Decentralized Multichain Perpetual Swaps. This is what exactly they offer us on Matrixswap. Virtual AMM-based Perpetual Swaps trading protocol allowing up to 25x leverage and infinite on-chain liquidity. It is deployed on Polkadot, Cardano, and Polygon Network. The key platform features trade up to 25x leverage, already mentioned that. Emergency Nuke button, convert multiple tokens into one single asset under one transaction via our DEX Aggregator. So this is the emergency nuke button if some weird news spreads around and all your coins want to go in one direction, and that means down. And this emergency nuke button is, I think, a very useful special item you have to have on every swaps. DEX Aggregator, built on that top of Polygon Network, easily swap your favorite tokens for the best price. Multi-chain deployment. Matrixswap will be deployed on Cardano, Polkadot, and Polygon Network. The project roadmap. Already we are inside the public IDO and DEX listing, liquidity mining program, DEX Aggregator on Polygon, emergency nuke button deployment on Polygon, ecosystem partners, the cardstarter.io, Emergo, and so on, super oracles, card wallet. So this is all things, all projects we already know, and backed by, and this is very important, Skyvision Capital, Petro Capital, Alphabet, and so on. So these guys already invested in this project, and we have some serious people who stay behind that project. For sure, they have a community, many social media channels here on Telegram, Twitter, Discord, GitHub, and Medium. I will show you later more about that. And they have a blog. For all articles, visit the blog or the Matrixswap Medium page. And every project should have a blog because it is very important to have it. Why? It is easy to understand because many people spread some news about some projects, and many of them news are not real. And if I have bad news, or if I spread bad news on Twitter or wherever, and people react to that, the market react to that, we have a big dip without any reason, and people ask themselves why people are selling right now this token. And this is because some of that guys outside spread just the wrong informations, or other side they spread good news and the project even never tell about that, right? For example, BitTorrent. And people buy and sell this token, and then surprise, the project owners say we never say that, right? And that's why it's understand for you guys to understand it. Please, if you find a blog on every project website, just look their news on the website or on their own Twitter account. Don't listen to others. Just listen to that guys who create this project, right? Everything else is just garbage. Here you can contact Matrixswap if you want to know more about them, more details, but I can tell you they have enough details to show you. On docs, this link here, you can find here for sure the white paper and many details around and about this project, formulas and so on for you nerds outside. Just visit this site here and you will have every important data you have to have about this project, right? And this is how it looks. This is the Matrixswap. This is very simple. We know this also from PancakeSwap, but we have here not only BNB tokens, right? We have here Polkadot, Cardano and Polygon on all three networks, on all three blockchains, right? And we have to have in the future multi-chain perpetual swap system, because we have now so many different networks and everyone wants to be the best one. And for sure, every one of us want to invest in many of them. And here we have a place where we can swap them all together. For sure, they have a Telegram group here right now with near 8,000 real members and 900 of them right now online. Twitter account with 27,000 followers right now. And let's have a look on the chart. The chart looks at the first view not very sexy, right? From the beginning, they just, or the token just lose on worth. But we must understand the situation behind all this. And to understand that, you have to follow them, you have to read the news, and you have to look behind the curtains. And behind the curtains, there are many reasons. Some guys say like this, some that. I just say maybe they also invested their own money in it, right? And they need this money right now to go forward. And maybe some investors just sell their tokens to invest in that project with fiat currency. So there are many reasons why something can lose on worth. But for me, if you look every chart outside, there's always a nice pump, then a big dump, and nothing happened for many long time. So, and this right now is the best time to invest when you have an all-time low, right? And this all-time low is right now. We have here on 13 December, so that means yesterday we had this all-time low, and it is the best situation right now to invest in this token, guys. I mean, we can have easily a 10x the next couple of weeks, maybe. So, and this is right now, I want to make you invest alert and say, please go in. Don't be a crybaby when this thing goes 10x the next weeks, right? I told you that. This is right now the best time to invest. And yeah, that's it for now. I just want to show you on YouTube. Everyone is talking about Matrixswap. People are just waiting for the right entrance of Matrixswap. And here it is, the right entrance. We have here a time to invest. It is the best time. It shows here that people want to invest always, but many of them just sell, right? Because there are many wrong news spreading around, and I told you that. That's why, please guys, just read their own Twitter account, their own Telegram group. Join them. If you have questions, just join the Telegram group. Ask them everything you have to know. Then you can think about investing or not. If you just invest because you like the name, then don't do it, right? You have to be sure what you are doing and why you invest. And I just can tell you, Matrixswap, it is a very good project and it can go the next week 10x. So be ready, take your money bags and go to Matrixswap. Don't invest all your money for sure, I always tell you that. But be in it, be a part of that success, and you will also earn success, right? Guys, let me know what you think about this project. Please write it down into the description, into the comments, sorry. I will put you all important links into the description of the video. Leave me a like or leave a like for Matrixswap. It will help a lot for them to go forward. And for sure, if you want to see every day the newest and the hottest tokens, just subscribe this channel. And I wish you all the best for this year and all the best for next year. The best profits you can have. 2020 is waiting for you, and 2020 can be a good start for Matrixswap. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I wish you all the best. See you next video. Bye.